Is time real? Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we will be discussing a fascinating question that has intrigued many scientists, philosophers, and ordinary people for a very long time. And that question is time real? Time is considered a fundamental aspect of our lives and the universe we live in. We measure it, we try to control it, and we even use it to define our existence. But, is time really what we think it is, or is it just an illusion? To answer this question, we need to understand what we mean by real. In philosophy, there are different types of real. There is the objective real, which refers to things that exist independently of human experience. And there is the subjective real, which refers to things that exist only in human experience and perception. So, if we talk about time being real or not, we need to decide which type of real we are referring to. Is time an objective reality that exists independently of human experience, or is it a subjective reality that exists only in our minds? The answer is not as simple as we might think. From a scientific point of view, time is a real physical phenomenon that can be measured and quantified. Time is a dimension in which events occur, and it is generally considered to be a continuous, irreversible process. However, time is also subjective since our perception of it can be altered by different factors, like changes in velocity, gravity, or even our psychological state. For instance, time might seem to move slower when we are bored or faster when we are busy. Moreover, the idea of time is deeply rooted in our culture, language, and religions. We use time to organize our lives, to remember the past, and to plan for the future. We create calendars, clocks, and timelines to measure time. We talk about time as if it were a tangible thing that we can touch or see. But, does the fact that we use time to perform these functions make it real? Or is it just a social construct that we have accepted as real? This is a question that many philosophers have debated for centuries. Some argue that time is a necessary concept for human cognition, that we need it to make sense of the world around us. We divide our experiences into past, present, and future, and we use this division to understand causality and distance. Without time, our existence would be chaotic and meaningless. Others argue that time is an illusion, a byproduct of our limited perception and language. They say that time is not a physical entity that exists in the universe, but rather a mental construct that we use to organize our thoughts and experiences. There are also some scientists who challenge the traditional concept of time. The theory of relativity, for example, suggests that time is not absolute but depends on the observer's frame of reference. Einstein showed that time moves slower in a strong gravitational field or at high speeds. This means that time is not a universal constant, but a relative phenomenon. Furthermore, some physicists propose that time might not be continuous but discrete in nature. They suggest that time, like matter and energy, might be made up of particles or quanta. If this is true, then time would be physical and measurable, but not continuous. In conclusion, the question "is time real?" has no easy answer. It is a complex issue that depends on our interpretation of reality and our understanding of physics, philosophy, and psychology. We can say that time is real in the sense that it is measurable and affects the physical world. But, we can also say that time is an illusion in the sense that it is a mental construct that we use to make sense of the world. One thing is clear, though. Time is an essential part of our lives and our universe, whether it is real or not. It defines our existence, shapes our memories, and gives us hope for the future. So, whether we believe in the reality of time or not, we cannot deny its impact on us. That's it for today's video. Thank you for joining. If you enjoyed this topic, please leave a like and comment below with your thoughts. And, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting discussions like this one. Until next time, goodbye. Thanks for watching.